So, Dad, in March 27th, 1964, I believe, there was an earthquake of the magnitude of 9.2 that hit this area right here. Right here. You can see where it drops off, but anyways, I was talking with my Uber driver who's grown up in Anchorage his whole life, and he said that this used to be, this, you can see, like, here's the land. This used to be a place full of houses. The land here had houses across, and it was just engulfed by the earthquake. I know this video doesn't do this area justice, but it really is beautiful, and these trees are amazing. My camera sucks too. Anyways, there was also a tsunami. We can read it. Hold on, I'll bring you to it. I'm gonna walk down there after. Just wanted to give you a little video rundown. So there was a tsunami. I don't know how much of this is true, but there was a tsunami that followed and hit all that area. Anyways, I love the suggestion. This place is very cool, Dad. It has a great feeling. All right, that's it for now.